creative, but not enough moves and.
People say that to me all the time, and like I noticed them as I was on the wave. I looked round and saw him and went, alright, okay, and came off the top of the lip.
Oh, come on, somebody go for it.
Right.
Yeah.
I was out at bloody Foreland on New Year's Day,
Where's that?
northwest Donegal.
Oh, right, okay.
Mad spot, real mad.
That. Being up there. It's no good.